All right, everyone. Time to choose your disguise. Guards get uniforms, prisoners get handcuffs.
Secure comms only. We are officially undercover. All right, let's move. First priority is blending in. Hit the ground running. Don't give anyone a chance to ask questions. You there.
Focus on the generators emitting bright blue light. Take those down, and we're in business.
Who knows the power down protocol? Actually, access request.
Tractor beams are down. Great job, boarding party.
That's what I'm talking about.
There's a lot of us on the move. We'll rendezvous at the armory.
Copy that. How do they breathe in these helmets? Looks like we'll be safe in here. Nice to see some familiar faces.
Good to see you, Jones.
Good to see you too.
Huh. Looks like they've been looting the island. Is that a rift to go?
Classic. Those have not been tested in space, so do not shake it.
I'm sure he's fine.
Let's move.
We've got weapons here. Make sure you're stocked up.
Back to stealth mode.
by those turbo lasers. Unless someone can disable those weapons, we can't commence the attack run.
We need to take down the big guns and give the ships a fighting chance.
All right, everyone. The power for the guns routes through the next room. How much longer, Jones?
Almost there.
Okay. Use our disguises. Jones, you need to locate the main control panel.
Got it. Protective panels opening in 3, 2. And I believe that concludes the stealth portion of our mission.
Second nose open up. Hit him with everything you've got.
And got it. You don't need to see my identification.
What?
Hey, worth the shot, right? I got a bad feeling about this. We gotta go! Now!
Let's start that countdown.
This way, come on!
Right behind you.
Final approach. 3 minutes in closing.
Where's the bridge? Everything's locked down.
Hotwire it!
Hardwire it. How do you hardwire a bridge?
Let's move! Let's get to the ships!
This way! Come on! Where are you?
Up here! I can't get back to you!
Don't worry about us! Save yourself!
Get to the ships!
Hope? Hope? Hope! Why isn't she responding? Is everyone else okay? We need to find a way out of here.
2 minutes.
A door that opens by itself. That's a little ominous. Well, I don't love that.
Everything that has transpired has done so according to my design. Let your death be the final word in the story of rebellion.
Okay.
Your feeble skills are no match for the power of the dark side.
Look out!
This is it. 60 seconds.
Now you will experience the full power of the dark side.
I'm out of ideas.
Found you. Don't. Hang tight.
How did you know that would work?
I didn't!
Well, good work back there.
This is Blue 3. I'm in my final approach. Torpedoes away in 3, 2, 1. Torpedoes away! Bullseye! Get out of there, Blue 3.
We did it!
Great job, team.
That is not good.